This is my new invention. I call it Tuna Nachos. So they go in the radiation unit. Oh yeah, we're gonna need some of that heat right there. Trinidad chocolate scorpion pepper. Sorry for all that noise. We got a lot of stuff going on. And you gotta watch this. You don't want to catch on fire or nothing. Ah, there we go. That's about it. Not quite on fire. Oh yeah, man, that toasty. Oh man, it smells so good. And then you're gonna need a little sour cream on there. And you're gonna need a little guacamole. And then you put that super hot salsa with those peppers in it. Ooh, there's a big chunk right there. Let me try this, see how it is. Oh yeah. Put that on there as needed. Tuna nachos in 1 minute.